going on, guys? It's Simple Recorder back with another video, and I'm really sorry for not making a video in like a very long time. My last video was 3 months ago, and I wanted to make another video because I felt like people that subscribe to me think that I like quit YouTube, but I actually didn't. I just forgot that I had a YouTube channel, that's all. But today we're going to be playing Make It Rain. So as you can see, I have... Wait, how much is that? Okay, I can't really count because I don't like counting at all. I hate counting. Wait, does it say it right there? Oh, I have 3 KB, 3 KB, which is 3,000 billion, whatever, I don't care. But we're going to be working on upgrading stuff like the bucket that I usually need to upgrade. Which is, I like to upgrade the Cap City because whenever you upgrade your Cap City, you get a lot of money. So that's why I'm trying to upgrade my Cap City, because you can like do a lot of stuff and buy a lot of stuff from the Cap City. So I just spent a lot of money, but there's no problemo because I can use my fingers. Like that. This is so hard. So if the audio is weird, because I'm like doing stuff with my phone. Okay, I'm gonna try to go to earn money without swiping. I'm gonna upgrade the millions because I have a lot of millions on here, and I have a billion, so I can buy a lot of things. So, should I just... I don't care about my money. I'm just gonna risk it and see if I can get a lot of money. Stop it right there. No. Really? I don't like difficulty 1. I'd rather use something else than that. Okay, this game sucks, like literally sucks. This game is so hard, like literally. Okay. Okay. This is like, my screens are like, hold on, I'm trying to like scratch it. Okay. Okay, it won't move at all. There. Okay. This is so hard, man. Okay, I'm trying to get $1 billion. Come on. This is so garbage. I'm like waiting for this to like... Come on, no, come on. Can it not go across? There it goes. Okay, I got 6 pigs. Ooh, okay. There we go. There we go. I got tons of moons left. Okay. There we go. Boom. Delete. Okay. I actually had some footage from NBA Live, like my first video, but I couldn't post it for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, come on. It's taking forever. I won't be able to post my video if it's too long. That's what happened to me last time. I tried to make a video like a week ago, but it was too long, so after, like, I don't know why my videos have to be so, like, short. Okay, come on. Come on. I literally can't even find anything. There it goes. Wait, I didn't get any. Oh, that card. I need that. I really do. There you go. There you go. Come on, I need that card. Yes. Okay. Yes! Okay. Come on. Oh, I need that thing. Yes. 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 Yeah, there we go. That's what I like to see, boy. Okay, come on. Fine. There we go. Okay. There we go. This is gonna be... Oh, the card's right there. Dude, that card could have got that right there. Okay. Okay. I'm getting a lot of stuff. Except for the things that I need. Okay. I'm trying to get this right here. But it will not work at all. It's not working really right at all. I need that card to like move, and I don't even think I'll have enough moves to finish this. Okay, come on. What else do I need, man? I can't find anything. Okay, there. Oh wow, that was so little. Come on. There. Come on. One more. Come on, I need moves. I need more moves. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, I can get the thingy. There, there. Okay. Okay. We only got one more move left. I don't care what I get. Come on. One more move left. Okay, that's all we get. Special offer. Out of moves. You could quit. I don't care. Forget it. I don't care. I guess I didn't get my money. Well, that really sucks. Well, very sorry for a short video, but I hope that guys enjoyed. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace. Bye.